Hello everyone, welcome to this new video. So today I am going to show you how you can give animations to any image that you add to the Wix site. So I am going to show you how you can do that. So as you can see, this is the image which I have added. So after you click the image, you can see these are the options which it gives us to edit, to change the image, and to design, make changes to its design. Also you can crop, filters, and here you can see it's animation. So you have to simply click here, and you can see as there are so many options: bounce in, glide in, fade in, floating, expand in, and many more. So let's try one animation. So for now I will choose glide in. So if you want to preview it here only, then you can click here. As you can see, it is playing. This is how it will look once you publish the site. And you do have an option to customize this effect. So you click on customize. From here also you can play. You can also edit the direction. So as we can now do the 180 degrees and we can play. As you can see, it's coming from bottom. If we give it to 89% degree, sorry, then it will come from right. So this is how we can do it. So I will just keep it to the previous version, and again I can click here and you can see it is coming from left. Here is a distance. So if we click here and it is 49, again click here. As you can see, it is coming from the left and it is not coming from that far. It is taking a less distance, as you can see. As previous, it was taking long distance. So if we click to the fullest, which is 200 pixels, then again we can play here. As you can see, it is coming from far. So this is how we can do that. And here is the duration. So if we, for example, if we do it for 4 and click again to play, as you can see, it's coming slow. So duration you can set in seconds. So this is 4 seconds. Again we can play, it's taking 4 seconds to actually get it back to this position. So if we again change it to 1 second duration, again we play it, as you can see it is coming fast. And this is the option for delay. So if we click and add 4, so let's see what happens. So it is coming from a delay of 4 seconds. We select to 8, which is the max. It is a delay of 8 seconds. And now we just give it to back to the 0, and if you want you can do that as well. And here is option that you can enable if you want to see this effect only first time when you open the site. Otherwise, if you don't enable this, you can see this effect every time you come to this section or this page. So if you do this, the changes you can only see once you preview it or once you publish and go to the live site. So this is how you can do and animate by using the animations. For now, and also just for example, we can get the floating effect. Again, you can see you can play it from here. It is coming from left. I will show you once again. This has the option of direction. So right now it is coming from right. If you give it to top, it will coming from top. If you give it to left, it will come from left. If you give it to bottom, it will come from bottom. So This is how you can give animations to image in this way. So thanks for watching this video. Thank you.